So the fees are rupees 500 for any one style. 500 रुपए इंडियन करेंसी में. And yes, 10 साल के बच्चे भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. Kids as young as 5 and people as old as probably 55 or 60. So one style is for 500 and for 5 days. Okay, that's valid for 5 days. One style for 5 days. But if you want to kind of take part in more styles and do more styles, you're most welcome. The discounts are all there online, so you can just check it up and go for it. Yes, you can. You'll have to just manage your timing. So maybe कुछ classes आप Facebook पे कर सकते हैं सुबह और कुछ classes आप शाम को कर सकते हैं Instagram पे. This way you can manage the timings. Timings लिखे गए हैं website पे, so you can just choose and you can do this. Yeah, all the best. ये बहुत ही simple है. All you got to do is log on to www.terrencelewis.com and choose dance online and choose dance camp. Then select the styles you want. You can pay in any way. You can pay Google Pay, Paytm, or you can make an online transaction, and then you're on. So all the best. Just wanted to be of some use, and we've been wanting to do this for a long time, and the lockdown just pushed us to do this. So Sally Salim Sheikh, one of our senior most instructors, who's also a hip-hop specialist, he will be teaching the intermediate level of hip-hop. So yeah, you can be rest assured it's going to be paisa vasool. अभी सबसे मजे की बात यही है कि कोई भी दुनिया के किसी कोने में से भी वो हमारा डांस कैंप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. So it's open for anybody and everybody from Pakistan, Bangladesh, America, Australia, anybody. We welcome everybody. जी हाँ, आप नेपाल से डेफिनेटली ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. इनफैक्ट वी हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट सम रजिस्ट्रेशंस फ्रॉम नेपाल. सो अगर आपको दिक्कत हो रही है या कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, प्लीज डू राइट टू अस एंड वी विल हेल्प यू आउट. सो डू मेल अस एंड वी विल सॉर्ट यू आउट और जस्ट कॉल अस. या थैंक्स. नॉट एट ऑल. ये एक मिथ है कि कंटेम्प्रेरी सिर्फ जो डांसर्स हैं वो कर सकते हैं. नॉट एट ऑल. इफ वी आर टीचिंग यू, इफ माई इंस्टीट्यूट इज टीचिंग यू, यू विल लर्न इट. लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न फॉर द लास्ट 10 years. जो कभी नहीं सीखे हैं वो सीख चुके हैं. सो व्हाई नॉट यू? Yes, absolutely. हर student को, every student will get a dance camp certificate completion from our side. It will be an e-certificate which you can print and happily frame it. So yes, certificates will be given online too. In fact, Filmy Fit जो है is meant for absolute beginners जो cardio workout चाहते हैं बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक के साथ नॉन स्टॉप ताकि उनका वेट लॉस हो. Then Filmy Fit is a class for you. So Filmy Fit is absolutely meant for beginners who don't know how to dance. ये जो ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज हम कर रहे हैं is basically for all those who just don't know how to dance or just beginning, taking their first step. तो डरिए मत, it's meant for you. और आपको ध्यान में रखकर ही ये डांस कोर्स को बनाया है और फॉर्मुलेट किया है. So go for it. Yes, ये absolute beginners के लिए है. सिर्फ 2 क्लासेस बिगिनर्स के लिए नहीं है. हिप हॉप इंटरमीडिएट और कंटेम्प्रेरी इंटरमीडिएट. बाकी के सभी क्लासेस बिगिनर्स के लिए है. सो एंजॉय buddy. That's a very good question, and that's exactly what we are saying, that this is going to be a live session in the morning on Facebook and in the evening on Instagram. So the same class goes in morning and evening. More importantly, tutorials are released every day of the choreography of the class, which you can access anytime. So the timings are all mentioned on our website, www.terrencelewis.com. The schedule is given there. For each and every style, there are separate classrooms in Facebook groups, and there's also a separate classroom for Instagram. These are private accounts. Only those who are registered will join. So the first thing is that this class is like a mood lifter. All our instructors are so warm and friendly that you'll really be encouraged and motivated. So it's a mood enhancer. It'll change your mood. Second, confidence. Confidence will be really high and you will know all your basics correctly. So technically also big. So the sessions, basically what happens is there are live sessions which you can record of yourself, but we are also going to give you tutorials every day of what you have learned, so you can always go through it. So that way, you know, it's a win-win situation. Not at all. In fact, the opposite. We would like people of all professions, of all age groups, of all shapes and sizes to do this. So that's the whole idea of Dance Camp. Dance Camp is for everybody. So yeah, so let it not stop you. We're looking forward for you. Don't stress, buddy. It's not an exam. It's just a fun kind of a dance camp. So whatever you do will be very good. Just do it with your passion. And all the other technical things of how to make it look good, we will also explain to you slowly. So don't stress about the finale. God bless.